Meaning of Jim Crow.
Jim Crow.
Jim Crow.
Jim Crow.
Jim Crow. Jim Crow refers to a system of racial segregation and discrimination against African Americans that was implemented in the United States from the late 19th century until the mid-1960s. The term comes from a song and dance routine performed by a white actor named Thomas Dartmouth Rice in blackface in the early 19th century, which featured a character named Jim Crow who was portrayed as a clumsy and ignorant black man. The term Jim Crow is now widely used as a shorthand for the segregationist laws and policies that were put in place during this era. These laws enforced racial segregation in public spaces such as schools, restaurants, and transportation, and denied African Americans basic civil rights such as voting and access to justice.